and possibilities for turning your site around. Now let's take this to a live example. Here we have the Wiccle Fusion forums, and as of late we've had a lot of activity in the forums, so some of our old structures have become somewhat limiting, such as the new threads view here. We have a private section called iWickle Zone, and we have a private section called Wiccle Zone for premium customers, but as of yet there's not much activity in there, while on the other hand the public forums are full of activity, as you can see. Now this content is completely out of balance. These two ought to be out of the way and way down there, while the main piece ought to be wider, such as here. We've made the change in the updated thread section. These two are here, and this one is up here, and this is what's called a row-based layout. Here you see the page layout, and here's column 1 and column number 2. Start the builder and you see the structure. And we want to turn it into a row-based layout. In theory, a row-based layout works like this. Here's the main container, your content wrapper, your layout, and inside layout you have a row, and inside a single row you can have several columns that again have several units, and here is a second row containing again the amount of columns that you wish to add. Currently we don't have 100% support for row-based layouts because the resizing function does not cooperate with rows as of the 120 release. That is a feature to be added in the future. But we can nevertheless define rows for columns, and now we'll make the column 1 100% wide, and the order is 1 and the row number is 1, and we save it. What happens that these two are automatically bumped to the bottom, but if we want to make this somewhat tidier, we can take to the column 2 and we can set the row number 2, and this inserts a row breaker into the final page that helps in the correct and balanced display of your content. Now we'll create a second column that's automatically also added into row number 2. We'll make it 50% wide as well to get everything balanced, and we'll take this unit here to column number 2, and here's a redundant unit. We can delete that, and here we have 2 units in 2 columns in row number 2, and the bulk of our content that we wanted to bring into focus is right here at the top. So this gives you a starting idea of what you can do with the Wiccle Builder and how you can literally configure your website to be anything you ever want it to be. Good luck for the customization.